1738 bar. Today is June 13th. This is an interior inspection from a clean out access in the basement. Pushed out, we were able to reach a house trap access. Performed a hydrojet service. Got some of the roots out of here, the blockage. We got out to a house trap that we located in the backyard. There's no current access to the house trap in the backyard. It seems to be covered up. Got a location on where it is. I'm gonna pull back from here. This is a terracotta interior line. We're able to get it unblocked. Opened up. There's still some stuff in here. Would need cleaned out again. We don't have any access to water. I'm gonna pull back.